Ever thought about starting a sensory deprivation tank business in Malaysia? With the growing interest in wellness, relaxation, and mental health, sensory deprivation tanks are becoming a sought-after way to escape daily stress and rejuvenate the mind and body. This therapy has gained popularity for its ability to reduce stress, alleviate pain, and enhance mental clarity. Starting your own sensory deprivation tank center involves more than just setting up the tanks. You'll need a peaceful, inviting space, the right equipment, and a solid understanding of the health benefits to offer your clients. Ensuring that you create a relaxing, hygienic environment is essential to attracting and retaining customers. Customer education is key. Many people are unfamiliar with the benefits of sensory deprivation tanks, so offering informational sessions or trial experiences can help build trust and interest. Ready to dive into this wellness trend? At 3E Accounting Malaysia, we can assist with setting up your business, from registering your company to handling permits and providing financial advice to ensure your sensory deprivation tank center runs smoothly.